Stop drawing flat, boring trees. Seriously, it's 2026. Your environment deserves more depth. Welcome back to Kofi's Pixel Brew. I'm Kofi, and today I'm going to show you how to turn a few simple pixels into a professional 3D asset. We're moving away from basic shapes and focusing on structural logic. Grab your coffee, open your canvas, and let's brew some legendary art. First, we define our core structure. Don't worry about the leaves yet. Focus on the trunk. This is what creates that 3D volume. If you don't have any idea, don't be shy to use reference. Now for the foliage. Instead of drawing every single leaf, we're going to define the outline first to give it that organic, leafy feel. Think of it as a cloud, but with jagged, pixelated edges. Now for the depth, we're adding shadows to define the tree's form. By placing these darker tones away from our light source, we create a solid sense of 3D volume, making even the simplest low-poly shapes feel grounded and real. Now, instead of cluttering the whole tree with pixels, we're going for a clean, low-poly vibe. I'm just adding some random leaves. This minimal approach is powerful. By placing just a few suggestive pixels, we give the viewer's brain enough information to imagine the rest of the foliage without making the art look messy. It's all about being efficient and stylish. Finally, let's add some character to the trunk. Since we're keeping it low poly, we don't need a lot of noise, just a few subtle vertical lines. And if you wish, then you can add a single knot to suggest that natural wooden texture. And there you have it, a professional 3D style pixel art tree brewed to perfection. Remember, it's not about how many pixels you use, but where you place them. If this tutorial helped you level up your pixel art, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. I'm Kofi, and I'll see you in the next brew. Stay creative.